Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shraddha. Today I will talk about something very interesting. Yes. Do you have any guesses? Yeah, correct. So today we are diving into something that transforms the world of software, even though in testing fail or development fail, which is artificial intelligence. So how we can use the artificial intelligence in testing? You know how traditional testing takes a lot of time with the repetitive test cases, bug detection, and test script maintenance. Well, AI is changing all of that. With the help of AI, we become more smarter, faster, even though more predictive. So, what is AI and how we can use in a testing? So there is a lot of tool involved. There is a lot of tools in the market available right now. We will talk about today ChatGPT, which is also the AI tool. So you can see my window. It's a ChatGPT. I have a free version. There is two type of version you can take it. This is the free download if you're working in the Windows or Mac. So you can directly download. That is absolutely free version. And there is a paid version. You have to pay some amount and you will get more features or some new things like new functionality. So this is the free version. I'm using it here. So how we can use it? First of all, we will provide the proper prompting. If we are working on the automation side or manual side, it reduces the time, right? So I will more talk about our importance of prompting because you need to provide the proper prompting in this ChatGPT or proper documentation. So it will be very easy to know how, like, if we are providing the proper prompting, it will give you the response. So how we can provide the prompting, like suppose I'm writing the can you write the test cases for suppose health let me see what kind of test cases. Okay, so do you mean see, I'm not provide proper prompting, so that's why it's give you got it when you say test cases for health. Do you mean, so they're asking for this healthcare domain software testing, so that means I'm not providing the proper prompting. That's why they're again asking. So that's the beauty of AI. I'll just take this one, Control C, and paste it here, and let's see. Now it's start to giving you the exact test cases, how you can write. So this is the one by one giving you test cases. So as per your requirement, you can go ahead and just write the prompt. So prompting is very important. Based on the prompting, it will give you the response, right? And you have to review again because it's not that 100% ChatGPT give you the correct answer. You need to review, and sometimes you have to modify based on your requirement. Once it will respond you have to go and review. It will not 100% correct. I would say you have to review, and based on your requirement, based on your correct respond, you can use it in manual or automation script. So this is the test cases. They give you the idea and you can use it as per your requirement. So I just giving you the example. So you can see here the plus sign. So with the help of, if you click on this plus sign, you can add the files or photos, anything you can add it like. So, and also suppose like this, I'll just take here to here. This is the script, Control C, and I want to ask, just first paste it and ask, can, not here, okay, it is giving you, and can you explain it step by step. So it will give you the step-by-step explanation, what is that and what is this. So this is the code, see, and this is the step-by-step. They are explaining you, like go to URL, open the given URL in the browser, await, ensure the test waits until the page fully loads before moving on. So based on your scripts, it will explain each and every line of code or scripts, and you will able to see that the first, this line to this line, like this line to this line, what is the explanation. If you looking and seeing somebody else code and you are not able to understand, just copy and paste it here and ask the proper prompt, like can you explain the step by step this code or this script. So it will give you the response based on that prompt. And also you can create an image, like can you create a image, suppose I just want to how to generate the report. I just want to put, and I just want to create an image for how to generate the report. I mean basically thumbnail. I just wanted to see like it should create it, ChatGPT should create it. So how it will create, it will take little time to generate the report or this image. You can see it is creating a report, and sometime it is asking like if you want to upgrade the plan. Upgrade plan means it is asking you have to pay some amount and you will get more features or functionality of this ChatGPT, because if you pay it will work more faster, or you can create a number of images. Otherwise if you are not upgrade your plan, I mean it's up to you if you're not upgrading, so it will take little time to generate the image especially. So just like this, it is taking time to generate the images. And you can also write anything, like if you want to ask anything in English or in a coding language or test scenario, test cases, or debug the test cases, or developer can also use it. You can see it's generator, and here you can share share it. If you want to share someone, you can go on LinkedIn, or there is a download option if you want to download, or if you want to copy it, you have everything here. And if you want to copy here this thing, this image, so you can copy, and here you can download with download option. If I'll click, it will download here like this, and you can save it. So, and also you can, this is the, you can see here the voice. If you want, you can use the voice instead of writing anything. You can use the voice, or this is use the voice mode, which voice mode you want it. And you can use the, if you want a new chat, you don't want to continue the same chat, you want a new chat, you can use this new chat like this. So it will give you the new chat option, and you can write your prompt here. There is a search chat option available. You have already searched so many things, but if you want to search particular thing, you can write here library. So whatever the images you have created through this ChatGPT, you can go ahead and just check in this library. And project, what project, you can see here the new project you can create it, and you can see here the create project option. This is the setting, which setting you want it, default project only, as per your requirement you can select it. And so there is, if you click on I think I covered everything. So I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and hit the notification bell so you will get the latest video. If you have any question or queries, please ask me in the comment section. Definitely I will respond you. So thanks for watching my video.